So the strategy I'm going to teach you today will allow you to take trades like this, where you would enter and this thing would just go up, 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 up into massive profit, giving you the highest possible risk to reward ratio. So if you want to learn how to take trades like this, continue watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and let's get started. So now I'm going to share something that I've never shared on this channel, and is going to give you one of the highest possible risk to reward ratio setups in the market every single week. It is a very strict rule-based strategy, and it works and it's profitable. So yeah, you should watch this video and let me know in the comment section what you think about it and how we can improve it, and try to make this a collective strategy. Scalping was impossible until I figured this out. So if you use this, it will let you to scope and it will let you to swing it and just go to crazy RR. So first you need to be focused. And we all know, in order to take a good trade, what we need to have in the market is something like this. This is basic thing everyone knows. So we need to have a good structure. So here price is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is a bullish market if you want to buy. If you want to sell, it is just the opposite. So it's lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And you would buy at the lower highs only, okay, and target the next lower low. This is very easy to explain, but it's not easy to apply in the live market. But I'm going to show you in this video that it's actually possible if we just follow the rules. So first, what you need to have is you need to go on the 4-hour time frame and mark a very clean break of structure. Break of structure is basically a zone where price has been playing around, just in a channel, and then it breaks to a certain direction. So if it breaks like this, you would be expecting some sort of pullback here, and you would buy here. And this would be your higher high basically, and this would be your higher low. Okay, and you would buy here and you expect price to take this high. Okay, and if we're looking for a sell, it is the same thing, and instead of the market breaking to the upside, it would be consolidating and then breaks to the downside, and then you would expect some sort of pullback to sell to target the lower low. So let's go apply this and see how you can use this to make good trades if you're scalping or swinging. It doesn't really matter, or even day trading. It works for everything. So here we have the 4-hour GJ market structure. GJ is the pound against the Japanese yen. Here we had an area where price was ranging, and what we're expecting is price to essentially take this, come back for us to buy. Okay, and just like that, you have a very strong break of structure. Anyone can tell you this is a break of structure, and look how many imbalance we are leaving behind. What is the imbalance? Imbalance basically a gap in the market. So like here, where there's no wicks on either side. Here there's a wick, so no imbalance. There's a little imbalance in here, little in here, little in here. Okay, that means the market is giving you a signal that is going to come back to that area at some point. Okay, so once price broke to the upside, we wait for price to do a little pullback. Now we need to mark the imbalance. The imbalance is here. That is the lowest possible imbalance, and we want price to come to this area for us to get involved. Until it doesn't come, we are not interested. It came very close, but it didn't go. And then we'll make entry on the 1 minute. Got it? Okay. Okay, now it came here. Let's go back a bit. You would go to the 1 minute. Okay, I just went back a bit to show you what we're going to be doing. Very important stuff. So you let price to come to that area, and then you're going to monitor the price action. All of this, we don't care. Okay, so price came tapped into that 4-hour imbalance. We want price to break this level, and I'm not looking just for the wicks, I'm looking for the actual body candles to close above, which it didn't. Okay, so this is the low, and we want this area to be broken, which it didn't. So right now there's nothing to do. Now price is breaking to the upside, and the candles actually close. Now we need to look below this white line for an area where we can enter. all of this has been cleared. The only area that we can actually look for an entry is here. Okay, let me mark this like different color, something like that. Okay, and we want to make an entry here, but right now there's no order block, nothing, so we change the time frame. Let's go to the 2 minutes. Perfect. What we can see is we have a perfect order block sitting here, right here. Okay, and price broke structure, all of this, look on the left side, it looks very clean, all of the imbalance, everything has been cleared. You would simply enter a buy limit here at the order block. Bear in mind, because of spreads, might want to do a bit higher than the order block like this, and you expect price to come back down and trigger you in. Now where are we going to target? We are going to target the 4-hour top where this whole move to the downside happened from. So let's move this all the way like that, all the way. Let's go on the 1 hour. So this is the top, all the way here. Okay, so this is going to give you more than 56 RR. Now we go back to the 2 minutes. Okay, and we wait to see what happens. Boom, trade has been triggered. You are in this trade. Okay, if it breaks above this area, you can get out, and that's scalping done for you. Okay, there, scalping done. You made your quick 2R trade. Now if you want to swing it, where this is where the swing guys are entering, you're gonna hold it all the way to the top, but you can manage it along the way. How you want to manage it is entirely up to you. This is what a trader must decide. Management of the trade is your job. Okay, so now let's fast forward it a bit. Okay, since it did a bounce from that area and never came back, let's go to the 4 hours. Okay, look at that, look at this beautiful setup, look at this. Look, it hasn't even hit a price yet, so almost giving you a move worth how much pips? Woo, worth over 400 pips. And look how precise our entry was. Remember guys, this area was not a valid area as an imbalance, although price did bounce from it, because we had another imbalance below it. Okay, imbalance is basically a gap in the market where there's no wicks like this. Look, let me delete everything. So look, this is imbalance because there's no thing on either side of the candle, there's no wicks. But this is not imbalance here because there's wicks here. This is imbalance here, from here to here. Okay, that's it. It is basically deficiency in price. That is it. So yeah guys, apply this. You might have to wait for it, but once you catch it, it is a beautiful technique and it works very well. So yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Peace.